rock and roll. This is Kimmerman from Kimmerman Gunpla Studio. Today I have here a model kit from Bandai, which came from or relates from the anime Gundam Stardust Memory, but I think this is not really related, or this Gundam here did not show up with the Gundam Stardust Memory anime. But I really like the GT series, the Gundam projects. That's why I keep on looking with this Gundam here, which is the Gundam GP04 Gerbera. Even though this is so expensive nowadays, so I found this kit in Shopee Ph or Shopee Philippines with on the price of 3,600. Luckily, I bought this for that price because most Gerbera or GP04 in Shopee are almost 4,000 and above, something like that. So that's very expensive, quite expensive for an RE line. This is not a master grade. This is an RE or Reborn 100 scale kit. So this is a 1/100 scale kit, but with the quality of a 1/100 scale or no grade scale Gunpla. And this is your, of course, Bandai. So this is the new releases. You have this Bandai Namco here and the blue Bandai logo. So let's check this kit out and let's see what this Gundam Gerbera or GP04 is all about. Loose kits found here, and the box art here shows the Reborn 100 Gundam GP04 Gerbera. So this is a new release. As you can see, there is this blue Bandai logo. And we can see here the Bandai Namco line or logo here. And there we got this kit here, very, for me, fantastic and magnificent looking Gerbera or GP04. The side of the box we can see the front view and action poses for this kit, where we can see some dynamic poses here, like wielding this large gun, this small rifle here with the shield, and can wield also the beam saber, along with this three pieces of backpack for flight mobility. There are these gimmicks here, very nice. The color combination also is your basic blue, white, gray, and with some tinge of yellow and red there, which is your classic Gundam protagonist color scheme. Okay, in the other side of the box, we can see some Japanese text here, but unfortunately I cannot read Japanese. And there we got this front view and the rear view of this kit here. So you can see there the boosters or three piece of this extra flight mobility for space combat. Okay, I don't know how that is exactly called, so if you know, just comment it in the comment section. Okay, and if you open the box here, we can see the instruction manual with the same picture like the box art, or what we saw in the box art. There we can see the parts list here, which is not that much. So even though this kit looks big and somehow detailed, still this is a Reborn 100, so the parts here is not that much. This is a few parts. This contains a few parts rather. So there it's segmented with the body, head, arm units, leg unit, waist unit, and the backpack and the weapons. So from upper, lower, and weapon. Upper body, lower body and weapons. Okay, so the instruction manual here is quite straightforward, and this is your traditional Bandai way of printing manuals, black and white, and judging the sequence of assemble pattern for this kit, this is not so difficult to build. So this is an easy thing or easy kit to build. Maybe I can finish this within 2 hours if I'm not that lazy to build. Okay, so in the back part of the manual we can see some glorious poses for this kit. Okay, so let's go with the packs here. We got this first pack. We got blue, yellow, red, and polycaps there for this kit. The second pack, we got this white parts for the thrusters and armor pieces. Then you can see here clear pink parts for the bayonet effect for the large rifle. The third pack here, we got white parts for the shield and armor parts, and also gray parts for inner frame parts. And the last pack here, the fourth pack, we got gray parts for joint parts and for the hands and the rifle parts. I just realized that for the price of 4,000 above here in the Philippines, this is not practical to buy for me, because see, these are only 4 packs here, but for the price of 4,000 pesos above, not practical. To be honest, it's not practical. The smell of the plastic seems to be funny. It smells like fart, to be honest. Plastic fart. Smells like fart. Okay, before we build the kit for the price of 4,000 plus, but luckily I bought this again for 3,600. Let's review the runners before we build it. So this kit, by the way, was released in 2015 by Bandai. And so let's go with the parts here. So we got white parts here for the shield and the chest parts or the head parts. This is your runner B2 white parts. And then we got here for the booster packs and some armor pieces and guns. So this is runner B1. We got here runner E1 for the inner frame parts or joint parts and some detailing innards of the kit. Okay, so we got, this is a runner E1 by the way. Then we got runner E2 here. Again, same with the runner E1. So these are gray parts. Other gray parts for the guns and the manipulator sets, the hands. We got here runner D1, or rather D. Sorry, it's only runner D. Other parts for white armor pieces. We got here runner C. And another runner C, so we got 2 sets of runner C here, identical parts. And for these multicolored parts, we got runner A for the blue, red, and yellow with some clear parts here for the head. This is runner A. And the polycaps, we got here polycaps, these uniform polycaps for all Reborn 100. Then we got 2 sets of beam saber effect parts, clear parts or the clear pink parts. We got this beam saber effect parts and your bayonet parts for the guns. We got here stickers for the warning signs, the GP sign, and this Anheim electronic thing here. And we got this foil stickers, gray. I think this one is for the booster packs, and these foil stickers here for the eyes and camera lenses, and the red parts here for, I think, for the red, for the V red blah blah design. Okay, so thank you very much for watching this unboxing review of contents for this Gundam GP04 Gerbera model kit from Bandai, which is released by Bandai Namco in 2015. Keep safe and good night. Auf Wiedersehen. Masalama. Paalam sa inyong lahat. Rock and roll. Skimmerman from Kimmerman Gunpla Studio.